subscribe, like and share.
So what you will gonna do today?
Funny faces.
Funny faces. Okay, what's the first face that you will gonna do? Oh, what's that? What's that?
Angry piggy.
Angry piggy. Okay, what's next? Oh, what's that? What's that?
The killer bride.
Huh?
The killer bride.
The killer bride. And what else next? Oh, what's that?
The killer bride again.
The killer bride again. How about the SpongeBob? More SpongeBob, more. How about Peppa Pig? How about Patrick? You move here on this side. How about Patrick? You move here on this side. And how about Mr. Crab? How about what else?
I said it to you, right?
What else? Do you have a while ago? Or you're doing another thing?
Gary.
Gary.
Meow.
What else? You do Gary more and more.
Meow.
What else?
Meow, meow, meow.
So what about the snake? What about the
Diaper.
diaper? What about you go here? I cannot see you at the video. What else?
Diaper.
The what else? The snake and the rat. The rat. How about the rat?
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
Cockroach.
Nanny.
I cannot see you at the video. You go here. I told you. What else? The dog. Like Bogart, our dog. What about the fish? You fish. What's the sound of the fish? Oh, that's a fish. What about what else? What animals? You move here. The video cannot see you.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Papa. Papa. Are it so funny?
Yeah, it's so funny. What else?
Car.
Car.
Broom. Broom.
Here, you move here.
Broom. Broom.
Oh, okay. What else?
Poo-poo.
Pupu.
Kele poo-poo.
How about the cat? Nosy. You move here, I said. Oh. No more na funny faces. Funny faces. No more na funny faces. You're
Yes.
done na.
Yes.
You move here. You move here. You're done na with all the funny faces.
Yes.
You're happy na.
Yes.
Oh, so what you will gonna tell your friends for the last
Bye,
funny
bye,
face?
bye. Okay, last one. It's last one.
Oh, what's this one?
Turtle.
Turtle. How about Mr. Bean? That's your favorite. Move here. Move here.
Dun, 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 dun.
More, Mr. Bean.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, say bye to your friends na.
Bye bye, friends.